Sometimes life gets busy and you don't always have time to bake when you need to. Fortunately, there are some great alternatives to baking a cake on the day of an event or celebration. How far in advance can you bake a cake? No matter what size or type of cake you make, it will be able to keep 2 to 3 days prior to when you need it. However, it is important that you properly store your cake. This will prevent it from drying out and allow it to maintain its wonderful flavor. How to properly store a cake in advance. In order to keep your cake fresh for 2 to 3 days before serving, you should store it unfrosted in plastic wrap before placing it into the container, so it won't lose any moisture, and to avoid any weird fridge odors from getting in. Be sure to allow your cake to fully cool before storing it. Storing an unfrosted cake in the fridge causes the molecules to recrystallize faster, which causes it to lose moisture faster and dry it out. Be sure to store your cake in a cool, dry area in your kitchen and avoid placing it in direct sunlight. If it is hot and humid out, you can store your cake in the fridge. Storing a frosted cake in advance. If your cake is frosted, contains any fruit or cream fillings, since they can be perishable, they need to be kept in the fridge. Decorated cakes should be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for 2 days ahead of time. Once you are ready to serve your frosted cake, allow it to reach room temperature. Any leftover cake should be stored in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days long in the fridge. Freezing your cake in advance. You can freeze your unfrosted cake for up to 3 months prior to the day you need it. This is a great time-saving hack to help you prep in advance. Once your cake is cool and for extra protection from freezer burn, you can wrap it in 2 layers of plastic wrap before wrapping it in aluminum foil. Once you are ready for your cake, allow it to thaw overnight in the fridge or at room temperature for 2 hours. When your cake is fully thawed, you can decorate it with frosting. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.